Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do a full feeding video to show you guys what I feed Bella. Not every day, her diet varies. I change the meat, but I've had a few requests, and so this is what I do on a daily basis. First off is she gets a daily fish oil for supplemented omega-3. And she also gets this Veterinary Science K9 Plus Everyday Health vitamins, and it goes by the body weight of the dog. So she gets two. She's about 50 pounds. Get down, girl. She's about 50 pounds. Today, this week, she's been on chicken, so she's eating chicken quarters. And she loves this stuff, as you can see. She's like sticking her head in the camera. Chicken quarters, and you know, it's the rule of thumb is about 10% of the dog's body weight in meat, and about, you know, I tend to eyeball it, 10% of that in organ. This is not chicken organs. This is actually beef liver and beef kidney. That's what it is. And also laying around, you know, I had some sardines, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put that in since I had it laying around. But usually, if I have just chicken, she'll just get chicken. Gonna put that in there like an extra bonus for her. And an egg. You know, I give her a daily egg, and what I tend to do is just, you know, crush the eggshell really finely. You know, you can collect the eggshells, bake them, make them into a powdered form. You know, it's easier to digest. I don't always do it that way. I like it this way because it provides some roughage in the dog's diet. And that's pretty much it. Let's see if Bella appreciates her meal. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Alright, so let me take you over. Let's see how Bella does. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Say hi, Bella. Stay. Alright. Eat, baby. She usually tends to eat everything else in the bowl and save her chicken for last. Ever since I've started this raw diet, I must say, I've seen tremendous changes. She's not as bloated, definitely not as bloated compared to a kibble diet. Her stool is much better. It's dry. It tends to decay on its own really quickly, and she's never had any problems with diarrhea. And she's very energetic, and very eager for the raw diet compared to kibble. Maybe on the next video I'll show a raw versus kibble bowl and see which one she goes for. She might go for both. She's always think I'm gonna take the chicken out of the bowl for her. Give her a hand here. Now, my chicken quarter is frozen. Whether it's frozen or thawed, really doesn't matter. I tend to freeze all of my raw meats that she eats for at least 3 days to kill off all bacteria and parasites. Just my method. It really doesn't make a difference in my mind if the meat is frozen or not. Now, something like steak or lamb, beef, stuff like that, I'm probably gonna thaw, because I really want her to utilize her neck and jaw muscles to get down in there and shred the meat. But she loves this stuff. It's a great challenge. It's not easy food. She has to work for it. And ultimately, that's what you want to do. You want to mimic their diet as closely as possible to their wild ancestors. it's cleanup time. Good job, babe. Bella? Bella, finish with clean that up. And that's basically a full feeding video. As you can see, you know, I took her a few minutes in the beginning to show you what she eats, and you know, and I would say under 8, maybe 7 minutes, she's already done. She's good. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you have any more requests on videos, please feel free. Leave a comment, let me know. I'll be happy to upload another one. I'm going to say bye for now. Bella's going to say bye. Bella, she's preoccupied with the smell. But see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.